Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, it's me Silvia Juniarti. Today I want to present my presentation about text structure. What is the text structure? A structure is a building or framework. Text structures refer to how a piece of text is built. The term text structure refers to how information is organized in a passage. The structure of a text can change many times in a word and even within a paragraph. Writers use different structures to build their ideas. Each text structure communicates ideas in a different way. Okay, there are 6 common patterns. 1. Chronological. 2. Cause and effect. 3. Compare and contrast. 4. Problem and solution. 5. Sequence or process. And 6. Spatial or descriptive. Okay, the first one is chronological. Chrono is a time and logic is order. Stories are told chronologically or in order of time. These texts organize events in the order they happen. This structure is common in current events, history, and in works of fiction or memoir. Keywords include time markers like first, next, then, and finally. Next, cause and effect. This text explains something by highlighting an event and detailing the result. Science and history texts often use this structure. Here are some signal words that may indicate that information in a paragraph is organized as cause and effect. There are because, as a result, resulted, cause, effected, signs, due to, and effect. Okay, the next is compare and contrast. Compare and contrast is a text structure or pattern of organization where the similarities and differences of two or more things are explored. It is important to remember that with the compare and contrast text structure, the text should be discussing similarities and differences. If the text only discussing similarities, it is only comparing. Likewise, if it only discussing ways that the things are different, it is only contrasting. The text must do both to be considered compare and contrast. Here are some signal words that may indicate that the text is written using the compare and contrast organizational pattern. There are like, unlike, both, neither, similar, and different. Okay, the next one is problem and solution. Problem and solution is a pattern of organization where information in a passage is expressed as a dilemma or concerning issue, or a problem and something that was, can be, or should be done to remedy this issue, or solution or attempt solution. There are also few signal words which may indicate that information in a passage is ordered in the problem and solution pattern of organization. There are purpose, solution, answer, issue, problem, problematic, remedy, prevention, and fix. Okay. 5. Sequence of process. Similar to chronological text, the structure puts items in order, but with an aid to explaining the way something should be done. This is often seen in lab reports and how-to pieces. Signal words: first, next, before, lastly, and then. Okay, the last is Spatial or Descriptive. This text describes a stance, typically organizing that information by location. For example, describing a room by moving from the doorway to the opposite wall. This structure is used in fiction and non-fiction alike. Some similar words that might indicate that the writer or speaker is following the spatial pattern of organization include a wide, sweeping array of prepositions, some of which next to, behind, across from, below that, above that, to the right, and to the right of, and so forth. Okay guys, I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.